Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. This week we're going to talk about UBEaut's
It's called Tripoli, Phil. Tripoli.
EEE Ultrashine by UBEaut, or as it's known in Canada, oh beauty, eh? Tripoli Ultrashine is a cut and polish paste for turning and restoring. Right? That's pretty much all it is. It's super handy, but it's not particularly exciting unless you don't have any. In my own workshop, I do a fair bit of restoration work of old drum finishes. Some of them are from, you know, the 50s and 60s. And so the actual original finish has long since gotten boring and dull and lackluster, you could say. This stuff is fantastic for bringing it back to life. Whether it is an old lacquer finish, like a 2-pack nitro on an old Gretsch or something, or a laminate wrap that's around them that everybody seems to really like, those glitter and silver sparkles and all the pearls and all that fun stuff. This stuff works for all of them. All of those finishes. I put a little bit on, I take all the excess off, and then I hit it with my little spot polisher, and we're good to go. It's fantastic. I say a lot of things are fantastic. This one is super fantastic. Now, I'm not a turner myself. With this much beard, I'm not going near a lathe. It's just a bad idea. However, as I understand it, you take a rag, you get a bit of this on there, and with the thing spinning at a low speed, it's already applied super easy. It's the last thing you do before you put the piece out the door. For more information on that turning aspect of things, check the video up there of Tracy. She uses it and she goes through it, and she's a lovely human being. Give her videos more likes. So there you have it, UBEaut's Tripoli Ultrashine Polish. It is a ultra fantastic product, in case we missed that. The 6 times I said that silly joke. For links to this and everything you need to know to get wood working, check the links down below in the doobly-doo. If it's your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Very important. I'm Phil Shimbine, and I will see you when I see you. Good thing there's caution tape here. That's it.